idea for Kelvin 23 is a simple concept of a multifunctional tool for around the home.
My name is Kevin Royce. I'm an inventorpreneur. When you look at the kinds of jobs that we face most often around our home, assemble flat pack furniture, fix bikes, towel racks, light to medium duty jobs, and yet we've got these tools that are overkill in a lot of cases, and they're inconvenient to access. One afternoon I was hanging a painting with Lynn. It was like 4 tools to hang this painting. We were all familiar with the genius of the multi-tool from Leatherman, and that's when it hit me. It was one of those aha moments. Is it possible that I could create a multi-tool that had a hammer, a level, a screwdriver, a measuring tape, a flashlight, all these things into just one small and compact design? So that's what I did. I went to work on it. I know a lot of people, myself included, there's times we don't even bother getting the toolbox. We just will grab the closest shoe, fashion that into a hammer. So although Kelvin is designed for the light to medium duty jobs and the everyday tasks around the home, it was important that it was made tough. For me personally, to be able to have ideas that people find value in, that people like, sort of my way of being able to touch the world. And I like that. That's what drives me.